Poop right on your head. Bird's gonna poop right on your head. He's aiming. What is up, guys? Welcome to Fat Belly Fishing. So today we're going to be looking for some fat belly fish on the flats. We're going to be going after redfish, and I'm going to show you guys what we're using today. We're going to be using some live bait, show you how we hook them, and basically we're going to be drifting along, just pitching live bait to tailing redfish. We're going to be looking around for them. Hopefully we can find some. Right before we get started, real quick, I just want to say thank you to everybody that's been supporting me on the channel. I know a lot of you have been getting stickers off the Fat Belly website and shirts. I'm going to be getting in some dry fits soon. If you guys want to check out the dry fits and the colors, and anybody that be interested, I'm going to make an order. Go to fatbellyfishing.com. Just check out the colors of the dry fits and pick your shirt size. And let me know down in the comments kind of an idea of what you guys are looking for. I'm going to have some different designs coming out soon. And if you guys want to support the channel and get a sticker, they're only $4. I mean, I've spent $4 on way worse things. Anyways, let's go catch some fat bellies in this episode, shall we? Oh, goodies. Basket of goodies. Let's see, got a grunt, some big shrimp. What else? What else did Mama pack for lunch? Some pinfish. Basically, pinfish hook, inside pinfish, like such. That's simple. There it is. There it is. There it is. Yep, redfish. Nice. Nice. Yeah, it is a good. Look at him.
Can you give me that fall?
Yep. Yeah, I saw that tail tip out of the air. That's a good one. Multitasking at its finest, folks. Oh, and we are anchored. It's a good one right here. Good one. Look at that boil out there. Shoo! Kicking out there. Folks at home, what do you think? How big do you think this redfish is? I'm saying 34, he says 32.
Blind casting.
Blind. I don't know if he's... He said blind casting, but I'm pretty sure he's legally blind. He needs prescription glasses, so grain of salt with that one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Not a 34, but I think he is 30, or at least upper 20s. The measurement is 30. We're off by a couple inches, but aren't we all? Sheesh. She's a thickin'. Rotate him up. Yeah. Yeah, baby. Look how beautiful and red he is. Very copper tone. Got the L for loser, Logan, and ladies.
L for Logan.
It's a thick boy. Thick fishes only. That is exactly what we're out here for. Looking for those reds. That one was a beefy one. Thick. He's eating his Wheaties. Growing strong. Shoo!
I did not get the carp, Daddy.
No, yeah, you got him behind you. Shrimp over there's freaking out. We've got some little snook or something underneath them. Oh, you know what? There was a bunch of mangrove snapper over there earlier. It's a classic over here. Yeah, a little snooking, I think. Got a little pull to her. Oh, yeah. The junior. Snook Junior. Just a baby. Is your mother home?
Oh, dude, look at the snook busting my old shrimp.
Whew. Little ones or big ones?
Looks like a decent buck.
All right, we gotta get the bigger one.